Alright, we're on it again. Chop Fire River right there. Don't look down. Good morning, guys. Beautiful day here in Koh Samui island of Thailand. Today's itinerary, take the scooter and go visit the grandfather and grandmother rock. So now let's go have a breakfast by the beach and enjoy our day. I just got a new hat. I highly recommend this photo shop right here on the main street. My man from Burma, so he really took care of me, give me a discount and everything. He's a good man. Anyway, I just put the place on the GPS and it says 25 minutes, which is like 14 kilometers. So it's gonna be a long ride. Let me fix my hat. Let's go rock and roll. Alright guys, I came up to this viewpoint, so before we head down there, let's take a little break and enjoy this view right here. Wow, look at this view, guys. The color of the water is just speechless. So should we go down there? What do you guys think? It's a lot of stairs, but yeah, why not? Very nice breeze coming from the ocean, so it's not like Bangkok. Bangkok is like still. Nothing moves and it's so hot and very congested. So if you ever come to Thailand and if you're just planning to stay in Bangkok, no, still you gotta go to Bangkok, but you still check out one of those islands, like either go to Phuket or the east side of the Thailand, go to Samui and all that. Yeah, this couple of ladies, they're just laying on the concrete, you know, all over, enjoying the weather, enjoying the view. This is the life, man, I'm telling you. Forget about the city. And once again, I checked the app on my drone, and we're still in the no flight zone. We're close. Get out of it, but I wish I could fly the drone out here, so it'll be like very beautiful shot. But still nice out here, so it feels like you're in an airplane anyway. And this is where the concrete stops, and then we're on top of the wreck. So shall we? Check this out. Beautiful. Alrighty, before it gets too late, let's continue our way to grandfather and grandmother rock. We still have about 15 minutes scooter ride from here. So let's go ahead and do that, and then we'll see what happens afterwards. All right, let's continue. Alrighty guys, we made it. So I believe this is the father. It's not hard to tell, huh? I was expecting a little bit more crowd, but I'll take this. Yeah, there's like a reggae bar down here. You know what? Everybody just moved to the other side, and so this is like belongs to me now, and this is like a perfect spot for drone. Okay, let's try to have some drone action. Let's see if it's gonna take off. If so, enjoy the footages. Alright guys, we did it. I hope you guys enjoyed the drone footage. So finally I'm able to fly the drone. Since I got here, it's been almost 2 weeks. So yeah, let's hop on the other side before it gets too late, and then continue. Wow, I see something really interesting over here. Check this one. There's something written on this rock. Let me show you. How you like cheese balls number 2? So yeah, if you guys are enjoying this, make sure to subscribe, and you know, I'm gonna be uploading more videos like this, so I hope you enjoy it, and then it's gonna help out the channel. You know, subscription is not gonna cost you anything. It's just one click, and then it'll be my biggest motivation to do videos like this. So you never know, maybe one of those days I'll do this for a full time, and then I have to quit my day job. It's actually a night job anyway. Sun is about to set over here. I mean, the sky turns like a really beautiful pink color. You see this side, and I don't want to drive the scooter when it's dark, but we're gonna have a beautiful sunset. Looks like it over here. So I think I'm done over here, and I'm getting hungry too. What did I eat today? I only had a breakfast. Well, it was a late breakfast, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So I mean, they have some restaurants and stuff here too. I would love to stay here for another hour, but we gotta hit the road. Like I said, I don't want to drive on the dark So yeah, let me just switch the battery on my GoPro, and then I'll see you guys at the room. I got a sunburn.